Hi, I'm KevinWaldron, I'm 22, I'm from Headford. I went to secondary school in Presentation College, Headford, and I'm a recent graduate of mechanical engineering from GMIT. I chose GMIT because it's a good blend of practical work and also theoretical work. And I came to realise that the theoretical work we're taught is actually relevant, it's applied to industry, so I felt confident leaving GMIT that I was highly employable. So in secondary school I studied, my favourite subjects were maths and engineering, basically metalwork, construction studies and DCG, technical graphics. So I always really knew that I wanted to become an engineer, but I wasn't fully sure on whether to do mechanical engineering or civil engineering because I studied both of them in secondary school, but I took a year out then and I went working. So I was able to decide that I did like mechanical engineering and I never look back. So there was a good blend between practical work, let's say projects, group projects, individual projects, and also lab work like workshop, getting hands-on experience with using milling machines, lathes, and it was good to basically get the fundamentals of engineering. Yeah, so in terms of class size, there was a fairly small class size, so everyone got to know each other. It was easy to make friends, and there was always a good class dynamic in laboratory sessions and workshop, and even in theoretical class as well. Everyone knew each other, even the lecturers knew everybody by name, so it was a good sort of atmosphere in GMIT. Going from secondary school into third level, I found the biggest difference was basically you had to motivate yourself. There was no one chasing you to hand in assignments at certain dates, but it was good. It was good to develop them skills of self-motivation and basically growing up, entering the real world. So in year 3 I went on a 3-month work placement in Boston Scientific, where I was as an intern manufacturing engineer, and it was an excellent opportunity to get a real insight into how things work in industry, and I did feel confident leaving GMIT in third year that I had the skills capable to tackle any work that was thrown at me. So for my final year project I got the opportunity to work with a startup company. So I was involved with designing and manufacturing a machine that was able to remove parasites from salmon. So it was good to get experience with that, working with industry-based projects. And along with that then as well, for a group project in fourth year I was tasked with working with Thermo King. We were brought into the facility and showed a design problem, and we were split into groups and told to come up with solutions, and we had to present our ideas into Thermo King, and it was a good opportunity to get to work with industry and basically see again how things are done in industry and prepare us for the working world. One of my favourite things was meeting new friends, and there was always a good class dynamic. So everyone knew each other and it was easy to make friends, and the crack was good as well. I also enjoyed all the projects throughout the 4 years. There was always hands-on projects to do. You could design something and you'd get the chance to make it as well. When I finish up my mentoring duties, I hope to work as an engineer in the industry for a few years, while hopefully getting the chance to travel as well. But eventually down the line I hope to do a PhD and become a lecturer, hopefully here in GMIT again. So my advice to leaving certs would be just stay calm and composed, do up study plans and organise yourself well in terms of practicals and projects, and then do your research as well in terms of what you like to do for third level, or if you were to go on and do something else like an apprenticeship or something. But I'd find out as much as I can about courses you're interested in, go to open days, even fill out online personality assessments if you're unsure about what you would like to do. And it does give you good insight into possible careers and possible courses that you can avail of.